Hi, Miss Catherine. Welcome to Pi Day 2022. We're going to make bubbles today, and in the process, we're going to learn about measuring diameter, circumference, how the pi formula fits, and multiplying decimals. We're first going to begin with making a homemade basic bubble solution, and you can do this easily at home with the supplies you have. It's recommended that you use dish liquid and Karo corn syrup. They make the best bubbles. If you follow me, we're going to come over here to the sink and we're going to make our solution together. Here's what we'll need to make our bubble solution. We'll add 1 cup of water to a bowl. I have measured 4 tablespoons of dish liquid. And then we'll add 2 tablespoons of Karo syrup. Once you've added all of your ingredients, you're going to stir thoroughly until everything is dissolved. Now that we have our bubble solution, my friend Miss Tina is going to help us do the experiment next.
Hi, I'm Miss Tina, and we're going to do the next step of making bubbles so we can learn how to use pi in solving the circumference of a circle. Here's our bubble solution that we're going to be using. And we have a straw to make our bubbles. And then we will use our ruler and a piece of yarn to measure the diameter of the circle, and then we'll figure out the math to find the circumference. Okay, here's the bubble solution. We're just going to pour a small amount on the table. We're going to take this straw, you're going to put it inside the solution, and you're going to blow and create a bubble. And you continue blowing until the bubble bursts. There, it's created a circle. So you're now going to take your yarn and measure the diameter of the circle with your yarn. And the diameter of this circle is 6 inches. First thing you're going to do is show your math. We made a circle with our bubbles. We measured the diameter and it was 6 inches. So the formula to find the circumference using pi is C for circumference equals pi d, the diameter. And we're going to fill this information in. If you didn't know it, you're actually doing algebra as well as multiplying, as well as using decimals. So here we go. You write C equals, and what is pi? Pi is 3.14 times the diameter, which is 6. And now we'll show the math. 3.14 times 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 6 times 3 is 18. Now where do we put the decimal? Well, 2 decimal spots. We have 1, 2. So our circumference equals 18.84 inches. You have just solved for the circumference using pi.
How do we get such a big bubble? There's a lot of cool science behind that too. If you use just water, which has a high surface tension, the bubbles are small and burst easily. So we added soap or detergent, and that lowers the surface tension, allows bigger bubbles to form. Adding the Karo or corn syrup allows bubbles to last longer by slowing down the evaporation that eventually causes them to burst. And in the end, that lets us get a big bubble, big enough to measure, and then calculate using pi.